CRA Error ERR Pot 210 is a common identity verification error that Canadian taxpayers encounter when trying to access their Canada Revenue Agency online accounts. This error occurs when the information you provide doesn't match what's stored in CRA's records. There are three primary causes of ERR 210 errors. Information mismatches account for 60% of cases, system-related issues cause 25% of problems, and account status issues represent 15% of cases. The first step is to verify the accuracy of your personal information. Double-check your full legal name, date of birth, social insurance number, and current address. Make sure all details match your most recent tax return and that your address is current with the CRA. Next, try technical solutions. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, try using a different browser or incognito mode, disable browser extensions temporarily, and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Finally, verify your account details. Confirm you're using the correct CRA user ID, check that your account hasn't been locked, and look for any pending verification requirements that need to be completed. These three immediate troubleshooting steps resolve most ERR 210 errors quickly. Start with verifying your information, then try technical solutions, and finally check your account status. Following this systematic approach will help you regain access to your CRA online services efficiently. When immediate troubleshooting doesn't resolve ERR 210, there are three advanced resolution methods available to help you regain access to your CRA account. The first option is to contact the CRA directly by phone. Call 1-800-959-8281, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. local time. Have your social insurance number and government-issued identification ready before calling. The second option is to visit a local CRA office in person. Bring government-issued photo identification and recent tax documents for verification. This allows for immediate face-to-face assistance. The third option is the mail-in process. Complete Form RC-473, request for individual tax information, and mail it with copies of required identification. This method takes 4 to 6 weeks for processing. Now, let's explore prevention strategies to avoid encountering ERR 210 in the future. Prevention is the best approach to avoid ERR 210 errors. There are three key areas to focus on: regular information updates, account maintenance, and technical best practices. First, keep your information current with the CRA. Update address changes within 30 days of moving, report name changes promptly after marriage or legal name changes, and maintain current contact information. Second, maintain your account actively. Log in regularly to keep your account active, complete annual tax filings on time, and monitor your account for security alerts or notifications. Third, follow technical best practices. Use supported browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Keep your browser updated and maintain a stable internet connection during login attempts. Looking toward the future, the CRA is implementing several technological advances that will change how Canadians access their tax accounts. The Canada Revenue Agency is moving toward a digital-first approach with exciting new technologies on the horizon. Biometric verification is being explored for future implementation. This could include facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, and voice recognition to make account access more secure and convenient. AI-powered support systems will provide enhanced chatbot assistance for error resolution, while real-time verification processes will make identity confirmation faster and more efficient. Additional future developments include single sign-on integration across all government services, an enhanced mobile application, and exploration of blockchain verification methods for ultimate security. These technological advances will make CRA account access more secure, convenient, and user-friendly, reducing the likelihood of errors like EU10 while improving the overall taxpayer experience.